No ifs, ands, or buts. Hey y'all, my name is Jalen and I have a confession to make. I can't stop listening to Roddy Ricch. I know. His voice is just so soothing. I'm the person that's making it go #1. His album has been on repeat nonstop since it came out. So for today's look, I'm feeling very smoky eye, blacked out, nighttime look. I tend to shy away from black because it is very aggressive and scary, but today, why not? I mean, that's how I'm feeling, so. I'm first going to start off with the Chocolate Bonbon palette by Too Faced. I'm going to go into this color Bordeaux. You see this dot? So I sprayed setting spray on my brush and I dabbed it in and then it left this. So don't do that. I really don't know what I'm doing. It's just in my head. I know how I want it to look. So I just put the colors there. I really do not know. Just do whatever you want. I'm going to put this in my crease. I'm going to go into this color in the James Charles palette and just put that on top. Great, I dropped the freaking brush. Oh. Be very light-handed. Don't go ham at first. Go slow. I can just sit here and do my eyeshadow all day. Especially when I'm not being rushed. Oh, 2 hours easily. In my opinion, makeup isn't hard. It's just, do you have the time and patience, and do you really want to learn how to do it? I taught myself how to do my makeup from practicing, hours and hours of practicing and watching YouTube videos. I'm gonna go into the dark brown. I'm kind of scared. Oh well. I think this is really beautiful, just like me. Black. All right, so this is what I ended up with. Very raccoon, very Ninja Turtle-esque. This is nice. I've gotten into color correcting. I'm gonna use the orange LA Girls concealer. I've always noticed that I had a 5 o'clock shadow like a man. And to fix that, orange or red. You probably noticed that my foundation has been looking very even. It's because I've been using orange color corrector. Not everyone needs this, but clearly I do. Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color Toffee Caramel, however you say it. 330 to be exact. How it just matches, like, evens everything out. The Juvia's Place concealer in the shade J12. Conceal all of your sins. I've already set my face and everything. I'm just gonna put black in the waterline just to give it that smoky look. Lips. I got this from the beauty supply store. The matte, it was $1.99. Let's put this on. All right, you guys, this is the finished look. I'm scared to smile. This lipstick is so cheap. It's gonna crack if I smile, so this is all I can do. Yeah, I just added some highlight in the inner corner. I'm giving you goth. I'm giving you beautiful black princess, queen. I'm giving you life. I'm giving you everything. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, follow me on Instagram, comment something nice. I will see you guys next time. Bye.